Hey guys, this is a video to show you how to make your LED light strip sticky again so it can stick to surfaces. As you can see, mine doesn't stick to anything. It's all gone. Like, it's still a little sticky, but it's gonna just fall off no matter what. For example, I'll put it on the wall here. It's eventually gonna fall off, maybe. It will. See, all you gotta get for this is double-sided tape, and I have some over here amongst all this garbage. This is my double-sided tape. You can get different types. Some of them are like paper, like sticky paper. Some of them are like thick and they're like see-through. This one is like a paper one, but it's gonna help with this light strip easily. Now, all I gotta do is set this down so I can show you exactly what to do. So, and you can buy this from a cheap dollar shop, or if you're in America, like Walmart or whatever. It's just called double-sided tape. You can even buy it on Amazon, eBay, stuff like that. And it's really sticky, like, it's very sticky. This one, holy crap, look at this. So what I'm gonna do is rip all this off. I'm gonna need it quite a bit because the strip's pretty long. Let's see, look at this. Let's just do this amount, and oh, so sticky. Okay, that didn't go as planned. So yeah, and then you just put it perfectly along on the light strip, on the inside of the light strip, and pretty much that's all you gotta do. Because some light strips, if you stick it to many surfaces over time, it's gonna the stickiness is just gonna not stick as much. But that's not going anywhere now from the part that I put it on. So you can see before, like, I just touched it and it fell. But yeah, this is not going anywhere. And you can pretty much stick it wherever you want. So, like, before, when you first get it, you could only stick it like on a surface, like on the ground, like facing this way. But you can put on walls and all this with this type of tape. Double-sided tape is really good for this, and you just pretty much put it on the amount of the tape that, on the light strip that you have, and yeah, it's not going anywhere unless you peel it off, which I'm going to do to install into my room. But yeah, it's really good stuff. And yeah, to see the difference, I'll put this side on, which was the old tape, just the tape that you get with the LED light strip, and eventually, I didn't even touch it, see? Completely different. Way better if yours is not sticking to any surfaces anymore. I recommend getting double-sided tape, putting it on the back of your LED light strip, and you're good to go. Also, do you like my my garage?